I think it looks way
nice.
better. The picture frame looks a lot better.
Yeah, that was a very good call. That was a very, very good call. More elegant, I guess.
Yeah,
and more in tone with everything else.
The color will stay the same. So on the other side, the stain has already gone.
I saw it.
Crazy orange. Well, it's like live walnut, right? You're gonna have the color changes, but this is gonna stay like this.
In
forever.
the other room, you have 50 shades of walnut.
We do, and it doesn't look good, right? So walnut's a beautiful species, but when the color starts to change on one wall and it stays the same on the other, it doesn't look beautiful anymore. So this, to always stay consistent, and we have all this natural light coming from the atrium, this would have changed.
With time, yeah.
Yes.
100%.
Yes.
100%.
Yeah. So I really love it.
I haven't done this in a long time. What should a client prepare before meeting a custom cabinet maker? So let's start with a clear idea of what they want to achieve with their custom millwork and cabinetry. A good set of inspiration photos to guide us towards the finishes and the accessories and the style that they prefer, as well as, if possible, a set of preliminary plans, even if it's some hand sketches or some nowadays you can do it with AI, some images of what they envision the space to be, but most importantly an idea about budget, because without a clear budget all the other elements are just random and we can't make them basically come to life without knowing what is our number, because we have to design to budget. Otherwise, we risk not being able to offer what the client is looking for.
It's 251 and a little bit over 3/8. Before I start.
I think how this turned out, this step here, it was a design detail that we changed for the better, actually, because of material limitations, but we come up with design solutions and it's better. It was actually just one strip, like just flat, just completely flat. So there wasn't this step here, it was completely flat, but we would have seen a seam somewhere. So, well, you can see, I mean, now, and we also, there was a width restriction too in material. So we ended up coming up with this border, like a picture frame, so that way we could not have seams in the material. So it's just 1,000 times better. It looks way more intentional too.
So just to recap, it would be inspiration photos, some photos of the existing space would be good as well, some preliminary sketches or plans, and a clear idea of budget.
It looks gorgeous.
And I can't wait to see it like framed properly.
Yes,
It's gonna
yeah,
be so
I
amazing.
know.